And this is a soldering repair job I recently did. Let me see if I can find it. Oh yeah, I have a screwdriver. This is the part that I soldered here. And this little inductor. And the camera works now. Here's a look from above. Here is the inductor from Amazon, and here are the ones from the camera that it originally came with. And to do the actual soldering, I used a placebo soldering kit that a teacher gifted me. So, I'm not sure if it should pick up, but here's the soldering kit. And so, let me just get this adjusted. And this is the soldering wick. And, oh, damn it, I dropped it. Hold up. And this is the soldering wick. This is the solder, which does have lead. And this is the actual soldering iron. The job took me 2 hours outside in the cold. It was pretty miserable, but it actually worked, and the camera's working now. So the reason why I had to even solder it is because the mounting screw here, it broke off from the plastic that was connecting it, and so it caused it to like jiggle and move around, and so because of that it knocked out the original capacitor. There should be a photo of it playing, like showing what happened, and so that entire thing broke off. None of the solder pads broke off though, so thankfully I just had to resolder it, but even that was pretty difficult. So anyways, I would just like to confirm that using off-brand or aftermarket inductors do work on the Sony camcorders, and well, as you can see, it's working. And I fixed an old camera that my family's had for more than a decade now. I put the camera back together, so now if I just flip out the screen, as you can see, it does work, and there hasn't been any issues as of right now. And the eject mechanism, it also works. If I just pull this out, yeah. And loading tapes does just fine. Here's a video 8 tape that I'll be using to test this. Oh. Push it back. Flip this over again. And now we have the standby indicator on the screen. And that's that. And that's how I ended up fixing this camcorder that I have here. I'll be sure to start using this again in future videos, since honestly I just really like this camera a lot more. But also because of the zoom on this, it's really great. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to.